The iPhone 17 is coming out, and guess what? We got the world's first magnetic stand case. Well, let's look at this product. Shiny. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the CASEKOO iPhone 17 case. This is the world's first magnetic stand case. Nice! And as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at this CASEKOO iPhone 17 case. So the world's first magnetic stand case right here. Packaging looks fantastic. Look at that, nice and shiny looking holographic case. So it's rare. Well, let's open it up. So we do have this in multiple colors right here, but this is the case, and look at this. This thing is very, very nice. This is a titanium stand right here. Very, very cool. Also, this doubles as part of the magnet right here for a mag strip of like charging and things like that. The MagSafe. The fact that the spins is crazy. Very awesome. As I mentioned, we have it in multiple colors right here. And my goodness, this orange one is crazy. This thing is just so sleek. You can kind of see through it right there. It's also got the same kind of stand on it, that twist and turn. Very, very nice. It's a little protective case thingy here also for the new cameras. Wow. Huge fan of this one. This one looks awesome. But as you know, we're going to test it out. So let's go ahead and drop a phone in it and see what we can do. This is the CASEKOO iPhone 17 magnetic stand case. I'm telling you, this thing is the perfect match. Every year I mention how I love vibrant colors, and CASEKOO really nails it. Their cases match the new iPhone 17 colors perfectly, which is something that I'm pretty obsessed with. Such as CASEKOO's cosmic orange color right here, which perfectly matches the new iPhone 17 Pro Max orange color. Engineered for a flawless fit for the iPhone 17, every button, port, and feature lines up perfectly. The D cover is a semi-covered design camera protection. Unlike wide open cutouts, CASEKOO's semi-covered lens frame adds reinforced protection around the iPhone 17's biggest weak points, which are the enlarged camera bump. It's got some superior durability. It's built to last. The stand stays smooth and invisible even after countless opens and closes. And did I mention there's a patented Mag Prime on this thing? That's right, it's 2 times stronger magnetism with near zero power loss, faster, safer, and fully MagSafe compatible. And with that drop protection, it's got advanced U-Shock 3.0 airbags with reinforced tri-layer corners that deliver pro-level drop protection, keeping your iPhone safe for every angle. You know, it's inevitable. You're just going to drop your phone every now and then. And CASEKOO thought ahead on that. They use this thing they call the D cover, which is that semi-covered frame there around the lens edges. And it's designed in a way that the case won't feel too bulky. Like I said, this is the world's first magnetic stand case. Every Magic stand case comes with its patent number engraved on the back. It's the world's first 360-degree rotating stand case. And guess what? It's a winner of IF and the Red Dot Award. CASEKOO has thought ahead on a lot of these features. They're ahead of the game here. When your iPhone 17 is ready, guess what? You're going to need a CASEKOO case. Great job. This is our first time working with CASEKOO, and I gotta say, this thing is awesome. Super sturdy, the world's first magnetic stand, and it's for the iPhone 17. They're ahead of the game. But we want to give a huge shout out to CASEKOO for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.